How to change font on Instagram bio. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom you can find different icons. Tap on this profile icon. Your profile appears. Now tap on edit profile. Tap on this option bio. Over here you cannot find any option to change Insta font, but what you can do is close your Instagram app and open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. At the top you can see that search bar, type in your instafonts.io. Now tap on this link instafonts.io, open it. Now here you can type in anything that you want to add in your Instagram bio. Here I'm gonna write, make sure to love life. Now scroll down. Over here you can find different font options. You can choose any of them. Here I'm gonna choose this one. Now you have to copy it after you select the font and then close it. Open your Instagram app again and then paste that and tap on done. Again tap on done, and here you go. In this way you can easily change font on Instagram bio. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change font of Instagram bio. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.